Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Give it up for all of our entertainers this evening. 1813, Cameron Rotter, Helen Litsky, Pure Voice, the very talented Sean Emirali. On behalf of all of the team from Monty Morrison and the Creating Moments of Magic, thank you very much for coming to Kawerau Christmas in the Park 2012. And on behalf of all the entertainers, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, peace and love, stay safe, and we'll see you again next year. Please make sure you take care of all our tamariki. Take care of all of our children, and we'll see you again. All the best. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. From Kawerau Christmas in the Park 2012. We are out. Good evening.
One more big one. That's pretty good. Yeah. Oh! And that's it. Very good.